Hello, good morning everyone. And today I'm going to show you the result of my hard work here in my garden. On my previous video, you've seen how I started planting a variety of vegetables. And now, here they are. Let's get started. Start harvesting the tomato. Look at this, so much. Nahihinog na siya, oh. Ang dami. This my hand. I'm gonna go one by one. Be fresh from my garden. So look at one. There's a big one here. It's not ripe yet. Different variety. It's a bigger one. Cluster tomato. It's all big. Big one like this. It's a bigger than cherry tomato. So harvest time for the corn. The two, right? Oh, bitter melon. This one and this one. There's more in there. Whoa! I also have here my nephew Gino to help me pick some of my veggies.
Oh, ayan, namumuti na si Gino ng gulay. Ng gulayin. Ayan o, ang dami pa. Para ka lang nasa chaong.
guys, this is my harvest for today. So it's a cherry tomato. This little one is a cherry tomato, and then this one is a clustered tomato, which is good for salad. See, look at this nice one, nice pieces. So this is really good, really tasty in the salad. So tomorrow this is gonna be bright red. And I got some more zucchini there. This is a zucchini, and then there's one squash, and then there's another one there, and then here's the beans, lots of beans, and then I got a couple of bitter melon, and then there's more on the trellis, and then it's still growing, it's still baby, so this only stood as big. This is a San Marzano tomato. Some already ripened and vine ripened, but this one, some of the green is a little bit, but it's already matured. So the next day this is gonna be a bright red. And then I harvested a couple of corn. Oh no, actually it's 3 pieces of corn I got, because I have 3 what do you call this, corn 3 only. And then there's some banana peppers there, and all the way some but later on I'm gonna be harvesting some of the peppers, but it's not matured yet. So this one is oregano leaves. So what I'm gonna do with this one, I'm gonna dry it inside the oven for around 6 to 8 hours, 170 degrees centigrade Fahrenheit, I mean. And then this one, the scallion, the baby scallion, or the green onion, what they call. I'm gonna clean it and then wash it and then dry, and then I'm gonna chop it and then freeze it so that I can have a fresh scallion in the frozen. But it's okay, we can still use the scallion even though it's frozen. So some of the mustard. So this is the mustard leaves. So I'm gonna use this one when I make a tinola or fish soup. And then some of the arugula. Yesterday I already picked some arugula, but I'm gonna add this on because I want more salad tonight. And then this is a whole bunch of parsley. So I cut it off, and then together with this one, the oregano and then the parsley, I'm gonna clean it and then wash it and then put it in the oven at the same time. So I'm gonna have a dried parsley later on. I'm gonna put it in a container so that I can have those one all year long together with the oregano. So guys, this is all my harvest for today from my garden. For my previous vlog, there's nothing in there. It's just it's not matured yet. So now everything is getting matured, and then I have to pick them before my friend eat it. You know what I mean? The raccoon and then the squirrel. So sorry, all my friends, they're gonna have nothing for them. I already pick up because they're picking also the red one. So they're so smart. Okay, guys. So this is my harvest for today. 3 container, which is what we call it bilao. So the 3 big bilao there is my harvest for today. Thank you guys for tuning in, and hope you enjoy the tour. Stay safe everyone. Bye.